We are back with the Everything Gotta Go giveaway, and this is gonna be number 5. Once I repair that, I did a little thing there.
Can I do that?
So what happened was I was trying to take this propeller off, the motor slipped out of my hand and I actually ripped the wire. So now I have these replacements that I'm gonna solder on right there. Also the battery, that 150 milliamp hour battery there, it didn't hold charge for too long. It did charge up, but it didn't hold for too long. So I got new batteries. This is a 220 milliamp hour. It does fit. I tested it out. So you'll get 70 more milliamp hours with this new battery. So my soldering skills have gotten a little bit better, but I've never soldered on something this small. And I'm kind of a little worried and scared. So if this is not a failure, then you're watching this video right now. If it is a failure, then I'm recording this for no reason. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace all these motors so that way they're all the same, because I don't know if this KV is the same as what these KVs are. So I'm just gonna replace all of them so they're the same and they're all brand new then for whoever wins this. So first thing we have to do is we have to heat up this solder and unsolder everything. One easy way for me to not get confused, I'm gonna pull all these motors out and separate them with the blue and the red and the black and the white. And then I'll just put these two propellers on these and this propeller on one of those. This propeller here, this is the one that was on it. I don't know if it was from me trying to pull it off or what, but there's a lot of flex there. You can see it was over flexed. I'm gonna use one of the spares in the pack here. So whoever wins this, you're not getting all 4 spare propellers. I'll throw this one back in the pack just so you have an emergency propeller. So we just have to find the same one. This says C1 on. You see how the blades are in the same direction. So this is the replacement for this. And that's one way to tell. You see this one, the propellers, you see how the blades are going a different way? It's because the propeller spins an opposite direction. Okay, I got all the propellers swapped. We're gonna have to do opposites there and there. And now we come to the part that I'm not looking forward to. So it looks like I might have to tin some of these here because when I heated it up and took the old wires off, it took all the solder off. So I'm gonna have to tin those quick. Again, don't judge me on my soldering. I'm a newbie at soldering. I know there's probably soldering professionals out there that are like, you're doing it wrong. Trust me, I know I am. Oh, that was actually pretty good. I got lucky there. I'm basically just putting a blob on the tip of the iron here, and once it falls, then it plops down on that. So far, I've been getting pretty lucky with it. So next thing I wanna do is I wanna run these wires down through there. Okay, now we have a little mess here, which we'll clean that up. I have to run the wires through that little channel on each side there, and then put the ends up through there to solder. Now on this side, I just gotta solder it back together. White is M+, black is M-, and then for the red and blue, red is M+, blue is M-. Now it's time to solder it all down. Got the first one on. That's pretty ugly, but it's holding, so we're just gonna go with it. We got the first one soldered down. We have those down, 4 to go. Okay, it's soldered. It's ugly, but it's soldered. So now we're gonna put a battery in and see if it works. Now we have the canopy on and the new battery in. So let's plug it in, and that's how you turn it on. There we go. We got some flashing, that's good. And let's turn the, please let all 4 of them spin. They spin. Let's reset the gyro. There we go. Down and to the left. That resets the gyro. You see the LEDs flashing. Ready to take off. So there it is. It does fly. It works. This will now be giveaway number 5. So if you want a chance to win this JJRC H36, now with a new set of motors and a higher capacity battery, then all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and comment down below, and your comment is your entry. Read the description down below because some people just don't understand how the giveaway goes, and it's all explained down below. I'm not gonna waste time on this video to explain it all, so just read down below. It'll explain how the giveaway goes. And then I'm gonna do a live drawing on March 18th where I pick the winner of this giveaway, and there's gonna be more coming. That's why I'm giving it so much time from now till then. There is gonna be more RCs in the Everything Gotta Go giveaway. But that'll do it for this video, and thanks for watching my not the best soldering skills. And good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. And I can't wait to see who wins these ready to run RCs.